This 2012 Heartland Trailer MFG is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland Trailer MFG is 27 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, water heater, external shower, skylight, awning, oven, slide-out, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Heartland Trailer MFG is 4,630 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.